Hello friends, Jai Dwarkadhish. My yesterday routine. I woke up early in the morning at 6:00 a.m. yesterday. Then I brushed my teeth. After brushing, I took a cup of tea. Then I read my newspaper. After then I did yoga for an half hour. Then I took my breakfast. After taking breakfast, I took a bath. Then I got ready dress. Then I watched my mobile, read the message of my friends, and gave them proper reply. At 10 a.m. I went to market. I bought some vegetable and fruits. After buying vegetables, I came back to my home. Then I went to at Amarnath garden. In the Amarnath garden, I met my friends. I had sat with my friend for 2 o'clock in the garden, 2 hours in the garden. After then, I came back to my home. I took lunch with my family. Then I took rest for an hour. Then I watched the videos of spoken English in YouTube. I read a story in English. Then I wrote some notes of vocabulary. I I uh, I spoke English with my neighbor a little while. I was learning English nowadays. So I practiced for 2 hours. Then, then I, then I uh, took my dinner at night. After then, I watched the TV. I watched the English film for an hour. After then, I go to bed and slept. Good night. Thank you, friends.